Good morning, everybody. I have an idea for everybody. If you're coughing and your throat it feels a little bit irritated and scratchy, poke your coffee and make sure you get it nice and high and everything. And then look, I use menthol cough drops. See right here, the menthol cough drops, and I drop them into my coffee. One, two, three, four. I drop them into my coffee and then spin it around. Then I need to sip on it throughout the day. And then that way, as I'm drinking my coffee, it's soothing my throat and cough also. Until next time, love you guys. That's good.